DJ Preston returns to talk about Hoof Records Incorporated, why my ex was not signed to Hoof, why Jackie Joe was not signed to Hoof, why Lil Mitch was not signed to Hoof. Mitch Money is signed to Hoof, and hopefully I want to sign Killer Twan because I choose Killer Twan's bass over Jackie Joe's street flow. And I personally like the bass of Killer Twan. And if I'm going to sign somebody to Hoof, between Jackie Joe and Killer Twan, I told Southwesty and Mitch the other day that I like the bass of Killer Twan. I want to sign Killer Twan. A little Mitch is my own in-law. You know, I wanted to marry Mitch Money. Lil Mitch apparently paying for the BMF street debt. It's a lot of money that Hoof wants to pay for Southwesty and Mitch. And the first have a lot of problems on the streets. And I want to take BMF from the streets and bring them to the Lemon to sell drinks and other things. And Lil Mitch wants to continue with the family legacy of dope slanging. Apparently, I don't like Mitch Money, my fiancé, do dope because the first system has a lot of people on the ground because of the same dope. And I wanted a better way out. He called me an embarrassment to BMF. I always wanted better things to happen for Brother Vinci, Young GZ. Even 50 Cent is back. He nearly took his life because he lost $100 million in the casino. And Batman also lost about $750 million buying chips. They nearly collapsed the rap music industry in 2020. It's only Sean Puffy Combs who had money, and Master P. They have money, about $100 million. But Master P owes money to other labels. Yeah, man, they got a lot of problems. And C Murder is doing well to bring out new releases. I want to see the CP4 come out, and I had a collaboration with C Murder. We wanted to release the CP4 mixtape, and I don't know, C Murder gives some money to people I don't know, and I don't know the character of C Murder. Apparently, I do business with C, I don't do business with P because of some comment I made about him. I'm not a big admirer of Master P. You can see I'm a P myself. They call me Plowman. I have made friends in the South. I know a lot of people in the South. So I'm also a titan in hip hop. Because of C Murder, I plan to release my album 30 years later. You know, the crooked ways he walked, that's how he felt in San Fernando. I want to see my son Austin in the video, Dylan, everybody. 30 years later, celebrating the whole family. The crooked ways he walked. You know, I have a lot of songs on the album. 30 years later, I will show my uniform at Thomas Downey in the video 30 years later. And I want to put my kiss in the video. And shout out to my daughter, Crafos. I love you so much. Bye bye from YouTube Studio, Wajabawe, Ghana.